Sodium bicarbonate is widely used in kitchens around the world because it has more applications than you can imagine. It can be used for a variety of tasks, but it also has numerous health benefits. If you want to learn more about these advantages, please watch the full video to discover 15 ways to use baking soda in your home. 1. Vegetable and fruit disinfectant. Because fruits and vegetables are constantly touched, they contain germs and must be thoroughly washed before consumption. Baking soda is useful in this situation because it acts as a disinfectant. Mix a teaspoon of sodium bicarbonate with some water. Dip the fruits or vegetables inside and wash the food with a sponge. 2. Carpet and rug cleaner. Carpets and rugs in your home can harbor a lot of dirt and harmful germs. This is due to people constantly stepping on them and spilling food on them. These can be removed by washing rugs and carpets with sodium bicarbonate. Pour hot water on it and sprinkle some on it. Allow it to sit overnight before scrubbing. If there are still stains, repeat the process. 3. Eliminate foul breath. Nobody wants to have bad breath or be around someone who does. It could cause you a great deal of embarrassment. Fortunately, baking soda can be used to remove this. Put half a teaspoon of it in some warm water. It can be used as a mouthwash. Sodium bicarbonate will act as an antibacterial and antimicrobial agent, eliminating the germs that cause bad breath. 4. Body deodorant. Baking soda also works well as a deodorant and is ideal for those who prefer natural products. To make your own, combine sodium bicarbonate with water and, once dissolved, grab a piece of cloth. Dab some of the solution on your underarms with the cloth. Because of its antibacterial properties, it will keep germs and bad odors away. 5. Air purifier. In today's market, there are numerous air fresheners to choose from. These commercial purifiers, however, do not eliminate the bad odor in your home. Their effect is felt quickly, and after a short time, you will begin to smell the foul air again. These commercial ones contain harmful chemicals as well. Baking soda, on the other hand, is less expensive and works better, completely eliminating the odor. 6. Brighten clothes. You will notice some staining or yellow discoloration on your clothes after a few washes. Baking soda can assist with this problem. Simply combine a cup of baking soda with regular detergent. It bleaches out stains and removes the annoying yellow discoloration from white clothes due to its alkaline properties. You'll be pleased with the results, especially given how inexpensive it is. 7. Bathrooms cleaner. In any supermarket, you will find a variety of bathroom cleaners. Unfortunately, not all of them produce the best results. Some can even cause skin damage. Try baking soda instead of these. Mix the sodium bicarbonate with water, then gently rub it on the surface to be cleaned, allowing it to sit for about 20 minutes. You'll be pleased with the results when you wipe it. 8. Remove stains from cutlery. Cutlery also loses its luster over time. When this occurs, do not discard them in order to purchase new ones. Instead, clean them with baking soda. It's a simple method that works wonderfully. Simply place the cutlery in a pot, add hot water, and then baking soda. Allow the cutlery to soak for 20 minutes before rinsing with clean water. You'll notice the extra gleam. 9. Helps on relax. We are stressed and tired after a long day of commitments. Did you know that baking soda can relieve stress? Fill your bathtub with warm water when you want to relax and unwind. After that, add approximately 30 grams of baking soda. Get inside the tub and just sit. You'll feel good and refreshed. This will also energize you for the following day. 10. Disinfect toothbrush. Many people are unaware of how crucial it is to clean your toothbrushes. Given that its job is to remove dirt from your mouth, it undoubtedly carries a lot of dirt and germs. As a result, you should disinfect it to prevent bacteria buildup. Brushes can be disinfected with baking soda. Combine some with water and vinegar to create a purifying mixture. Before rinsing, soak your toothbrush in it for about 30 minutes. 11. Treating insect bites. Are you aware that baking soda is used in many of the ointments and other products sold to treat insect bites? Instead of purchasing these, you could simply get some baking soda and combine it with water to make a paste. Apply this paste to the bite and evenly distribute it. It will assist you in healing faster and at a lower cost. 12. Restoring burnt pans. Every now and then, you will unintentionally burn your food. When this occurs, your pan will also burn. It's not easy to get rid of these unsightly burns and stains, but baking soda can help a lot. Return the pan to the stove. Add some baking soda inside, then boil some water. The stain will be properly removed. If the stains are too stubborn, repeat the process. 13. Refreshing shoes. It's extremely embarrassing to wear shoes that stink. This is unfortunately common, especially when the temperature outside is high. That being said, there is a solution. Baking soda can be used to refresh your shoes. Place 2 tablespoons of baking soda in a fabric piece, then slip it into your shoes. After a few minutes, you'll notice how clean your shoes smell. 14. Fighting heartburn. Baking soda relieves heartburn, which affects many people around the world. It is extremely uncomfortable, and in many cases, a doctor will blame it on stress or a poor diet. Drink a mixture of water and baking soda to help you feel better. A teaspoon of it will make you feel significantly better in a short period of time. 15. Making fluffy omelets. Do you prefer your omelets to be large? Baking soda, on the other hand, can definitely make them fluffier. In omelets, they produce air bubbles. To your recipe, add half a teaspoon of baking soda. It's as straightforward as that. It will improve the quality of your omelets and allow you to enjoy your meal more. Your egg snacks will no longer be the same. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like.